What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So this is completely different for you. This is a kit of the month for Salvinos JR Models. I actually went ahead and picked up quite a few kits because they actually had their Memorial Day sale and a couple of pre-orders as well. So let's go ahead and crack into this box. I mean, this is the biggest box I've gotten from JR Models. Hopefully my last one for a while, so because I don't need this many. But let's go ahead and show you what we got, and we're going to take more detail of the kit of the month here later in the video. So lots of packing material, and haha, look at this. So we got our 3 decals. We'll take a look at these here a little bit later in the video. So the kit of the month is right here, and it is the Ryan Blaney, or not Ryan Blaney, it's William Byron 2025 Daytona 500 champion car. This is cool. So yeah, look at this. So this is the kit month. We'll be taking a look at that kit here in future in this video. So the kits that I got on sale was this one. Again, if you check out their video or whatever, their website, they had a 20% off discount. So the Builders Club, they have a 20% off discount anyway, but on top of that, we get another 20% off. So Builders Club actually got a 40% off discount. So I got this kit for like 28 bucks. So that's pretty cool. So we got that one. The second one I got with that deal was this one, Brad Kozlowski. Again, only 20 bucks I got this kit for, so that's pretty cool. So we got that one, and then the add-ons for this month is, check this one out. We got the Josh Berry 2025 Ford Mustang. It's the Dark Horse Mustang, so the new Mustang style, but this is his throwback paint scheme. This is his, or not his, but this is the what year was it? That Indy 500 race car that won back in the day, and right there. So Indy 500. That's pretty cool. So this is a throwback paint scheme for the Indy 500 race car back in, I'm not sure how long, if I can find it up on your screen, but this is a really cool paint scheme. Again, it's a throwback paint scheme, and this is cool. So we got that one, and then one more for the add-on is we got SVG. This is the Red Bull car. This is so freaking cool. Look at that. That's really cool. So these, this one and the Josh Berry one was the add-on. So really cool. I've been wanting these for a good minute when JR Models introduced them. So that's why I pre-ordered them. So let's go ahead and get you guys back onto the desk and take a look at the Builders Club kit. Alrighty, so we got the William Byron car. Let's go ahead and take a peek at our free goodies we get because we're in the Builders Club. So of course we get some stickers, then, or decals I should say, and we do get a sticker. And look at that one, that's pretty neat. We get the Salvinos JR Models and his dog pushing the thing like we're moving. That's cool, that's funny. How the heck did he get a picture of that? Some nice photoshopping he did. That's funny, that's cool. So that's a cool sticker. Alrighty, so decals. First and first, look at this one. We got, I think this is a Bobby Allison. I'm not sure who this is, but the 1983. This is a pretty cool one. So that's pretty neat. I think I know what car this is for. I can't think of it. I can't say it on my top of my thumb, but I know which car this is for. Again, pictures are on the screen for this kit, but this is a pretty cool one. That's pretty neat. So we got that one. That one. And well, we got, looks like we got 3 decal sheets this month. We got another Richard Petty. I got a lot of Richard Petty decals. 1986 Richard Petty. Again, I'm not sure what car this is for, but I'll find it and it'll be on your screen. But this is a cool decal sheet. Looks like it'll be a lot of fun. You're gonna have to paint the blue and the orange and stuff. So I'm not sure what color this is, but that's pretty cool. So we got that one. And then we do have another Richard Petty, 1992. Oh, this is for the Pontiac. This is his newest car. Ooh, cool! I got his Pontiac. So I got this kit in my stash from Marvel, or yeah, Monogram. So this is cool. This is the newest yeah, just to say the newest car that Richard Petty ran. This is cool, so that's pretty neat. So this decal sheet, I might actually build this one, to be honest, because this is Richard Petty's one of the newest cars he drove, and then he got retired, or he retired. So that's cool. So we got 2 Richard Pettys, and I think that's a Davey Allison, or Bobby Allison, my bad. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a peek at Ryan Blaney. So Ryan Blaney, he got pretty lucky at the Daytona 500 again, because this is he's a 2-time champ at Daytona 500 in a row. I mean, if you saw that race, it was insane. He somehow, there's a wreck, and then he just snuck by and he got the win, which is kind of insane, kind of lucky, I should say, for him. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and crack this one up. I'm not really sure which color the body is. The body is like, not sure what the color is molded in, so we're gonna find out. So we're gonna go ahead and crack this one open and see what we got. I'm kind of curious what the decals look like. That is pretty difficult to open. There we go. So it's molded like a bright orange. So the clear parts, there's nothing too special about there. And then yeah, we do have a, wow, that's a really poppy orange. You can see this thing a mile away. So you have your hood, your gauge cluster, your small spoiler, and then there's your dashboard. I can't believe how poppy this orange is. Holy crap, that's insane. So yeah, you got your Camaro body, a big mold line. So yeah, these molds are getting a little older now, because they're producing, they had to produce over probably 2 million Camaro bodies by now, probably more than that with this mold. So yeah, it's gonna be a little old, so you're gonna have more mold lines to deal with, but it's not a big deal. But this is insane. This is I can't believe how poppy this orange is. That's incredible. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's pretty neat. So I'm looking forward to see what the decals are. Then of course you do have your slicks, and then you have your bag of next gen parts, which has your chassis, roll cage, and all that fun stuff, which we don't need to look at. And what we are going to look at is the decals and stuff. And that takes up the entire box. So if we get to that, here is your instructions. Still map style, I'm assuming. Yep. So, but typical instructions for the next gen cars. That goes for all of Toyota, Chevy, and Ford. Then we do have our decal placement. That's actually a pretty cool paint scheme. I'm not gonna lie. This is a much better paint scheme than last year. Last year's for his Daytona 500 winning car, it was kind of plain. I didn't really like it. It was white and just really simplified. This year was much better. So let's go ahead and look at the decals. So of course we do have our typical Camaro decals. Cool. And then the main decal sheet. Wow, that's actually pretty freaking cool. I'm not gonna lie, that is actually a really nice blue. That's insane. That's incredible. So yes, this one has a lot of decals. I mean, a lot. So if you're not a big fan of decals, this one might not be a kit for you. Just saying, because majority of this kit is basically all decals. I mean, you get your whole rear quarter panel. You have your entire rear bumper as a decal. Your trunk, most of your hood is decal. Yeah, so if you're not a big fan of decals, like I mentioned, this one might not be one for you, but this is pretty cool. This is a really nice decal sheet. Of course, we do have his winning circle or winning sticker on there. Now, if you don't want that on there, you want this, if you want to replicate this car like before he raced the car, obviously you would cut that winning sticker off. But that's insane. Clay Clamp, you did a fantastic job. Really good job on this. I mean, I might actually have to build this. I'm not a big William Byron fan. I'm more of, my favorite drivers of Hendrick is, of course, Kyle Larson and Chase Elliott. I do like them the most out of Hendrick Motorsports. But I'll definitely build this car. This is insane. This is really cool. That's incredible, that decal sheet. Not gonna lie. But other than that, guys, that's it for this kit month. I mean, just look at NASCAR.com on YouTube or NASCAR on Facebook or whatever. We'll just look up the 2025 Daytona 500 winning or final lap or whatever. The way Ryan Byron won this race, it was insane. I mean, I'm telling you, he got lucky at this race to win it 2 times in a row. But I would say, if you like this car, if you like Ryan Byron, pick this kit up. If you're not a big fan of it, I'll still pick him up. If you like decals, I would say this paint scheme, compared to last year, is a million times better. This is his best paint scheme on a Daytona 500. Because last year, when JR Models brought this kit out for his Daytona 500 winning for 2024, I didn't bother buying it because, like I said, the paint scheme was kind of boring. I didn't really like it, but this is cool. This is a cool paint scheme. I'll definitely be building this one. And yeah, so next month, I believe we're getting a Richard Petty NASCAR kit, so that should be pretty cool. But yeah, I bought a lot of kits this month with the deals and stuff they had going on, and you know, the add-ons with the Josh Berry and the SVG bull car. I mean, it's pretty cool. So I basically got this whole bucket of, or whole pallet of kits, and it's pretty neat. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you next time.